Hello guys, welcome to our channel Zero to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you if you are getting this same problem that I have getting. For some reason we could not install Firefox Choose OK to start over. I have getting this same error. If you are getting this error, in today's video I will tell you how you can fix this problem. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel Zero to Infinity for more and more informative and knowledgeable content. I have getting this same problem. What I have done to fix this problem, the installer downloaded Firefox and open it, and when I set up and try to sync my account, everything is back to normal and it will help me to fix my problem. So the installer downloaded the Firefox and you need to sync your account and then try to open and install this game, and everything will be fine, all right, when you do this, and your problem will be solved. And otherwise, if you download the stub installer, it might be just that server are overloaded, then this problem arises. And if you have not broken your installation, try doing help about Firefox and check for updates if there any update, and if there is any update you need to try that and try to restart your device and then try to install your all the problem will be solved. So in this way you can fix this problem. And yet if you are having facing any problem, you can simply comment down. I will reply your each and every query. So that's the solution of this problem. Hope you like and subscribe our channel.